Even though Dubai is a controversial place, it definitely has some qualities. Like the obnoxious architecture. One thing that cannot be argued, is that in Dubai you will find some of the most luxurious houses on earth. And we're about to uncover some of them. Because today we are going to reveal the most luxurious homes in Dubai. Palm Jumeirah, Signature Villas. With 15,000 square feet built-up area, this custom brand new contemporary family signature villa exhibits the most comprehensive collection of premier furniture, luxury finishing that includes marbles of refined craftsmanship and meticulously carpentered doors, walls, cabinets and ceilings, and the captivating views of the sea and Dubai Marina skyline. It only has 7 bedrooms and 9 full bathrooms. Majestic golf course mansion. This home features 18,358 square feet built-up area, features luxury finishing and furnishing, such as high-grade marble from Italy, solid wood wall panels, doors, and window arch frames, Ralph Lauren, Becker and Giorgetti furniture, waterproofed teakwood design, full-of-form kitchen and wardrobe systems, Lorenzo Rubelli curtains, Villeroy and Box sanitary ware, and Jesse mixers. Residents also benefit from the captivating views of the green fairways of the golf course and the city skyline. Private Palm Jumeirah Beach House. Want to own an architecturally magnificent beach palace located on the privately gated community, Palm Jumeirah, Dubai? Now you can. This bespoke villa boasts a truly special location with the best beachfront available for a private residence in Dubai. The beachfront provides full ocean view with skyline view back to the Burj Al Arab in the Dubai Marina. The villa offers ideal spaces for entertaining, sunbathing and water sports activities. The winding private decks provide complete privacy with some lush garden surroundings. Featuring 46,000 square feet of internal space, that includes 11 bedrooms, a 16-seat cinema, 200 people private nightclub, 4 living spaces, indoor swimming pool, large private dining room with adjoining lounge, a full chef's kitchen along with staff accommodation for 16. This is a one-of-a-kind villa for discerning and filthy rich future homeowner. Dubai Marina, Cayenne Tower. An architectural gem located in the heart of the Marina district of Dubai, this single-floor penthouse has floor-to-ceiling windows that reveal the spectacular views of the Arabian Gulf. Dubai Marina, Palm Jumeirah, Emirates Golf Course and the Burj Al Arab. Designed in sleek, modern and contemporary feel. With exquisite and luxury touches made throughout the residence. Including a customized technology system, combined with the finest in quality of materials from Europe, this 11,000 square feet penthouse will allow for living a truly modern lifestyle from the moment you step into the custom marble lobby. The residence features a cinema, steam, sauna, gym, private nightclub and bedrooms that all have incredible views both during the day and nighttime. Don't feel bad if you're living in a small flat and bad neighborhood. If you're working hard, and put your best efforts towards it, you too can one day live in a small one-family house like the ones you've seen here. Which house did you like the most? Would you like to live in one of these? Leave us a comment below, and thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.